Welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I have discussed with you some job update. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and subscribe this channel. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This link I will paste in description box. Please join it. I show our first job. Our first job is data analyst and business analyst. Location is Kerala and salary is 25k to 35k, and this is full-time opportunity. And uh, and you have need a skill like this, you can read here. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for remote location, and salary is not mentioned here, but experience needed 3 year of experience you need. And this is your job description and all, and this is your skill set. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst with SPSS, and location is Bangalore, Karnataka, and salary is 2.28 LPA to 2.4 LPA per year. And this is for fresher opportunity and full-time opportunity. And this is all about your skill and all. And how to apply the job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst for Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu location, and salary is 1.8 LP to 3 LP per year. And this is also for fresher opportunity. And this is your job description and how to apply this job. You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Madhya Pradesh Indore location, and salary is 22k to 28k per month. This is full-time opportunity for a fresher. And uh, and this is your full job description, and this is your responsibility. Before apply, you have read and apply, then you have applied. And how to apply the job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst for Mumbai, Maharashtra location, and salary is 4 LPA per year. This is full-time opportunity for fresher also. And how to apply the job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst domain for Ernakulam, Kerala location. And salary is 20k to 25k per year, per month. And this is full-time opportunity for fresher. And qualification need BTECH, MCA, MSc, computer science, and experience in 1 to 3 year of experience. You have fresher, you have also apply on that. How to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is a data analyst for Pit, Pitampura, Delhi location, and salary is 15k to 20k per month. And this is full-time opportunity, and this is your job description, and this is your role. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Surat location, and salary is 25k to 35k per month. And this is opportunity about. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is again data analyst for Surat location. This is also 25k to 35k per month. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Surat location again, and this is salary is 12k per month. This is full-time opportunity, and qualification need you have read here. And this is your requirement and how to apply the job. Before that, you have read all the things, and stipend is 12k per month. And how to apply the job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe this channel.